What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got you guys on the POV head strap again. But yeah, today we're gonna be working on the razor again. But this time we're gonna work on this front fork. We're gonna be putting this Surron fork on here, just like that. Gonna sit a little bit higher. But yeah, let's see how this goes. Alright, now that we got the front end out, we gotta pound these bearings out and slide that into here. Yes, it's out! Time for this to go in. Yes. I got it. Slide the legs into place. Ooh, the other one's stuck. Come on, get in there. Tighten this side. Slide this up. Match that height. Tighten this side. Alright, so now we're gonna put the handlebar on. So this is a direct mount stem. It directly mounts straight to the top triple clamp. And we're gonna use a different handlebar because if you can see, as you can see, it's kind of too tall. It makes the bike look weird. Yeah, this handlebar is way too tall. So we're gonna be putting a shorter rise handlebar that I found laying around. It's gonna give it more of a mini supermoto look. Should be fine. We gotta install these handlebar spacers because this clamp is for 31.8 mil. And this is a 25.4 mil handlebar. So it'll mount just like that. This spacer fills in the gap between the two. I'm just putting a dab of super glue to keep it in place. This is the Origin 8 Urban Mini Urban MX Mini Rise. So I guess it's perfect for this bike. It's a 600 mil width. Next, we're gonna be swapping out this 160 mil rotor for a 180 mil rotor. Shout out to one of my sponsors, Justin Caesar Built. No, we just trade parts between us friends. Sharing is caring, you know? And it's red.
Several months later.
Yup, so we're riding. Damn, this front end feels nice. Why didn't I do this earlier? Not sure if you guys can hear me through the wind noise, but yep. Still getting used to these narrow handlebars. This motor is super punchy, holy shit. Wow, this front, it's kind of windy. It's kind of windy today. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Let's go for a quick little stroll before I head to work. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please consider hitting that subscribe button, and yeah, stay tuned for more content. Shoots. Oh. Oh. Why am I scared?